Hello everyone, my name is Akshay. Today I will discuss with you on the topic of the documents which are essential before the clinical trials. So, before conducting the clinical trials, several essential documents and approvals are required to ensure the safety, ethics, and regulatory compliance of the study. Here are some key documents and steps. So first, protocol. A detailed plan outlining the study's objectives and objectives, methodology, patient eligibility criteria, and data collection procedures. Then, informed consent forms. Documents that explain the study to potential participants, including risk benefits and their rights, and obtain their voluntary consent. Then, ethics committee approval. Research involving human subjects must be reviewed and approved by institutional review board or ethics committee to ensure ethical standards are met. Then investigators brochure, a document providing comprehensive information on the investigational product, including its safety, efficacy, and usage. Then regulatory authority approval. In many countries, clinical trials must be authorized by the regulatory agency, such as FDA in United States or EMA in Europe. Then clinical trial application, a formal submission to the regulatory authority that includes the protocol, investigator's brochure, and other relevant documents. Then, drug or device manufacturing information. Detailed information about how the investigational product is manufactured and quality control procedures. Then, financial disclosure and conflicts of interest. Declaration of any financial interests or conflicts of interest among the study investigators. Then, insurance. Adequate insurance coverage for study participants and researchers in case of adverse event. Then, data safety monitoring plan, a plan for monitoring and reporting adverse events during the trial. Then, case report forms, templates for collecting and recording data during the trial. Standard operating procedures, guidelines for how the trials will be conducted, ensuring consistency and quality in procedure. Then, patient recruitment plan, strategies for recruiting and retaining study participants. Site selection and training, documentation of how trial sites and investigators are selected, along with the training records. Statistical analysis plan, a plan for analyzing the trial data to evaluate the primary and secondary endpoints. Then, safety reporting plan, procedure for collecting, assessing, and reporting adverse events. Then, clinical trial agreement, the contracts between the sponsor and the participating institutions outlining responsibilities, compensation, and data sharing agreement. Then, clinical trial registration. Many countries require trial registration in a public database such as Clinical Trial Government. These documents and approvals ensure the clinical data is conducted ethically, scientifically, and in a compliance with regulatory requirements. The specific requirements and processes may vary by country and the nature of the trial. Thus, it's crucial for work closely with regulatory authorities and ethics committees to navigate the complex regulatory landscape. Thank you.